Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Some of y'all might get tired of this same scenario, but I just did a video about this. And I thought, I'm going to make one of them yellow. I'm going to kind of intermingle them. I love doing this. Take a rectangle. Just kind of make sure you get all the points. You know what? It might be better to do this one. And maybe even expand this out a little bit. We need all the corners. You don't want to leave anything left out, so we'll even go down to here and make it a little bit wider. And not necessarily how that important is, but then with that selected, hold down your shift key and select the yellow one and go to intersect, and then move that out of the way. Then take away your rectangle, go to your yellow one, go up to object, order back a page, and then move this back over, and it makes it look like up here that these two links are wrapped together or intermingled. Pretty cool. And you could do that with a number of things, and I've probably done too many videos on this same subject, but it's just in case you had not seen that, that's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.